So I need to tell you guys something that took me long enough to admit, that I was the problem, a big one. And it was not the people around me or the bad luck or the bad timing, it was me. All along, I was thinking that I was the hero of my life, but hero? I mean, I was thinking that I was the hero of my life, but I was roaming around being the villain, the absolute one, the baddest of them all. So, we will be going segment wise. The attention seeker error. I think most of us have been through this because, we love attention. As kids, we love attention, and as adults, we love it even more. Like, that small achievement, that small compliment from others means a lot to us. And I have done this for a longer time when I was a kid. Yeah, in high school, in elementary school, I was seeking my parents' attention, I was seeking my relatives' attention, I was seeking my friends' attention, I was seeking for my teachers' validation also. So yeah, I was a very big attention seeker, and it actually, it kept growing. I thought attention is equals to love when it is actually not. You crave more attention when you want more love. And because I was not feeling validated enough, I was seeking attention from others. Do I really not seek attention anymore? To be honest, I still do somewhere. Would I not love it if you guys will give me attention, if you will comment, if you like my videos? Of course I will love the attention. Why not? We are human beings, and as human beings I think it's a human behavior, and somewhere I have accepted it. But yeah, not like that anymore. I'm not a big second segment is the toxic people chapter. Bhai, we are being the nicest people, but we are only attracting the bad ones, the toxic ones, the ones who never really care about us. And types of friendships I had in my life, damn. I just got flashbacks. I am never going back there. And to be honest, as an adult, I don't really expect much from friendships because I have had the baddest of them all. Do you want me to read? Do you want the tea? If you want the tea, I will give you that in another video. Yes. But can I blame those people? No, because that was my mistake. I was around them because I wanted attention, I wanted love, I wanted affection from them, and yeah, I entertained those people for longer and longer times until it really hurt my inner child. I kept going. And worst part wasn't them, it was me, because I never took my stand, I never spoke for myself. I used to trust those people with my eyes closed. And when something did not went about according to me, I was the one falling apart, not them. If they ever did me wrong, I was the one just smiling there and nodding and just going back home crying. Yeah, that's what I used to do as a kid. But now, did something change? Yes, I have changed a lot regarding this. Actually, I really respect myself, and I have created boundaries, around my rules and regulations that I have created for myself, and I don't really entertain those people who, bite me back. If you are someone who mistakes loyalty as kindness, hi, I see you, and we need to talk right now. The next segment, and I don't know if I should even talk about this. I think this is too early, but I'm doing this. I love adventure. The NEET saga. I took it on my ego. Yes. I was an ego girly for a long time. The NEET, the exam which took years from my life. And again, it wasn't the NEET exam, it was me. It was my mistake that I took it on my ego and I said, ये कैसे नहीं होगा मुझसे? Like, मैं जानती हूँ यार, मैं नहीं कर सकती क्या इतना? इतना तो मैं पढ़ती हूँ कि एक एग्ज़ाम क्लियर कर पाऊँ. The fact that I couldn't accept that I was actually struggling is so embarrassing. Like, I still feel that if I actually accepted that I was, not in the zone to prepare anymore, or I was not really. First, I took it as, a really respectable dream to pursue, and I thought it would be really awesome if I can clear it. But along the journey, I don't know when it became about my ego and not my dream. I did not even realize it. It took years of my life. I completely isolated myself. I just closed all the doors for me. I was the one doing it wrong, that's why. And yeah, it took really a long time for me to move on, and it is one of the reasons I'm taking medicines right now. It was not the 5 attempts of improving myself. It was 5 attempts of not accepting that I was in the wrong and maybe this is not for me. I don't know. Universe was like, भाई मेरा message तो देख ले, मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ. I was so bad. I cannot believe I did this. But hello, it is journey. What happened just happened. Now I learned. Recommendation? It was a beautiful life. Yeah, would not recommend it for anyone. That one hurts to say out that loud. Like, what did I just confess? That was a really hard one, guys. Oh god. Segment 4 is procrastination queen. Here I am, the queen of procrastination. Like I told you guys in the very first video, that I was not really good with promises, and I procrastinated for content creation for a really long time, and this goes for like my last years too. Like, the biggest regret, it is that I was not completing my promises that I do to myself, and it really affected my self-respect. I was not respecting myself at all. On January 1, I was like, yes, John, let's go. We will do this. Become the dream woman. Be the dream woman of your dreams. Be that bitch. Be that girl. The it girl is you. And on January 14th, don't even ask me. Like, it was so good that I was not even following my plans. So would I recommend that to anyone? No. And the worst part, I knew that I was doing it. Yes, I knew the car is crashing and the car is me. I knew. Procrastination had more commitment to my life than I did. It's like that my body and my brain had made some plans and my body refused to take the action. It was so bad. Would I recommend it? No. Please. So segment 5 is where I am now. Where do I belong now? To be honest, I am at a very much better place now, and honestly, it is not a clean ending yet. I'm still learning and I'm still improving myself. A lot of it I blame it on myself, because a lot of you must be thinking about, like, what am I doing now? How am I living my life now if I am feeling any better? So the answer to that is that it's not at all a clean slate yet, and I am still somewhere, practicing a good life, trying to, do better in my life. The the best answer to this could be that, I have stopped pretending. I don't pretend that those people who hurt me were my people. I don't pretend that the path I chose for myself was a really good path. Like, yeah, it wasn't, and I do not recommend it to anyone. And yeah, so if you are in one of those dark rooms, baby, I can hold your hand and I can tell you that this is not going to last for long, and you will improve your life and you will do the it girl shit. Yes, you will be that girl. It will take you time, but you will be that girl. You just need to believe in yourself. I believed in myself and I am in a much better place. I'm not in the greatest of them all, but yes, I'm doing so much better. And I do complete my promises. That's what improvement is, isn't it? The things are not the best yet, but at least I know what needs to be fixed. And don't you think that's the best part? This was my second video and the realist version of myself. I'm not gonna say everything happens for a reason, though it happens, but still I'm not gonna say that, because a lot of those choices I made for myself and those choices affected my life. It's that simple. I'm not going to, exaggerate that. Any part of this video felt real, or you felt that it was talking to you, so I think this is a sign. This is only my second video, so it shows that I'm still figuring it out. I would rather show up imperfectly than not showing up at all. I think that's the best part. One tip from someone who is imperfect is be imperfect. Okay, but show up. When you start showing up and you are imperfect, but you are still working towards your goals, it shows in your attitude and it actually improves your self-worth. You just get to be more confident, you get to respect yourself more, you feel that worth in yourself. And I think I have felt it too, and that's why I'm trying to show up. It's your time, darling. Do it for yourself and do not get scared of the current situation. This will go away. This shall too pass. This too shall pass. I don't know. But yeah, ये time भी गुजर जाएगा. Okay? मेरा गुजर गया, तुम लोगों का भी गुजर जाएगा यार. Don't worry, okay? Bye.